Hello everyone. In this video, we will start with linear graph, which is in the coordinate exercise chapter 21a. So concepts I had already explained you with the distance formula, but still some might forget. So I will explain you whole concepts again in this video also. So here we will start with Cartesian graph. So first let us see what is Cartesian graph and how it is drawn. Cartesian graph has four coordinates. If we take x-axis, y-axis, vertical axis is called y-axis, horizontal axis is called x-axis. Okay, in this way you can draw. This is x-axis, this is x dash. Point where both axes meet his origin, that is called 0. This graph you have to draw for each and every graph question. And here 0 के right में you have to mark positive values. The values to the left is negative. Top value of the y-axis is positive and always written on the left side. And bottom value is negative. It is also written on the left side. Do not write it on the right side. Here we have four coordinates, four quadrants. So starting with this is first quadrant. This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant. This is called fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both x values, if you will see, this is x value and this is y value, both are positive. If you can see, both are positive, so we can say x is positive as well as y is positive. Now in second quadrant, if you will see, x is negative, y is positive, so we can say second में minus x comma y. Third quadrant, if you will see, all x is positive, sorry, x is negative, y is also negative. So we can write minus x comma minus y. While writing coordinates, you have to always make sure that x coordinate is written first and then y coordinate is written. And last में fourth quadrant में, if you will see, x is positive and y is negative. So we can write it as minus x comma minus y. In this way, coordinates are written. Now I will just show you coordinates. Coordinates are always written as x comma y. It is written as x comma y, where x is, let me write this is x coordinate, which is also said to be abscissa, a b s c i double s a. This is y coordinate, that is also called ordinate. Do remember these terms that may be useful in 10th standard also. Now any point on x-axis, this we had also learned in distance formula. Any point which is on x-axis, its y coordinate will always become 0. If you will just see over here, if I am writing a ka coordinate, that is 1 comma 0. If I am writing b ka this coordinate, it will become 3 comma 0. If I am writing this coordinate, it will become 0 comma 2, because x-axis pe we have 0 and y-axis ka we have 2. So any point on y-axis, its x coordinate is 0 and y will have value. Pause the video, write it down. Now this is a graph paper. You can take 2 by 2 centimeter का graph paper or you can take 1 by 1 centimeter का graph paper. Both are allowed in 9th standard, but in 10th standard you have to use only 2 centimeter का graph. So I will explain you that same graph on the graph paper. See, you can take any center block. It can be to the left or it can be to the right. It's okay. There is no rule such that there should be equal gap from left to right. Draw vertical line and draw horizontal line. Horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Okay, we have drawn vertical and horizontal axis. Horizontal axis ko we can give name as x, x dash, y and y dash. Do make sure that you are putting arrows on both sides. Starting with 0. 0 is the point of intersection of both axes. And if you consider this as 1 centimeter graph, so you can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It's not necessary to fill up. On the left side you can write negative value. Even it is not necessary when you are writing this positive value till 6, so you have to write that till negative. It is not compulsory, but if you are writing, it's okay. Vertical में upside is positive. Write positive values to the on the left side. Y-axis पे lower value is negative. In this way, you have to draw graph. Each and every graph paper पे this axis should be drawn. Yes, so better make 8 to 10 graphs of this type and then start doing sums. And you have to write scale for each on each graph. It is on x-axis. If I am saying this, say graph 1 centimeter is equal to I took 1 unit. On y-axis, we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. Hope this part is clear how to draw the graph. This we had already discussed in distance formula, but still I am explaining you over here. Now we will come to the main point, which is equations. See, here in this part we are going to learn graph of linear equation in two variables. This is the main concept of our graph, linear equation of two variables. So there are three types of equation. The first is we have only x value, just like x equal to constant. For example, if I say okay, x equal to, for example, if I have an equation such that it is x equal to 2, x equal to minus 5, and so on. So whenever you are getting only x, it is always a vertical line. Vertical line. See, lines are of three type. Either it is vertical, horizontal, and slant. You can define lines in only three forms. Either it is vertical or it is horizontal. Or is a vertical line is a standing line like this. This is slipping line and this is slanting line. It can be anything. It can be of any type. ठीक है. So whenever we have x equal to a के pattern का, if we have graph, if we have equation of pattern x equal to a, so here our lines are always vertical. Just keep it in mind. Now second, y is equal to b, where a and b are constant value. For example, we can say y is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3.5, and so on. Any type of this type of line, it's always horizontal line. How to draw vertical line and horizontal line, that this we will discuss in our exercise part, but this is just a concept you have to remember. Horizontal line. Okay, you have to remember this type of line: vertical line, horizontal line. And third is main equation का standard form, in which we will have x and y both variable, just like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of simultaneous equation in two variables. This is always in the form of slant line. Slant line. This is always slant line. So you understood, here we have three types of linear graph. One has only x variable, another has only y variable, and third has x and y variable as well as. Now I will write steps to draw graph. Steps for graph. Just write it down this in your notebook. It's very helpful, and you will always get 4 marks ka question for graph. The first step is, if you have equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we are talking about this type of graph in which we have two variables x and y. So here what we will do, I will make y a subject of the formula. Make y a subject of formula. Okay, if we have x and y, na, x is independent variable, and y is dependent variable. This also I will explain you while explaining sums. So you have to just remember the steps as of now. Make y a subject of the formula. Then we will take any three values of x, usually which fits in the graph. Do not take any value which does not fit into the graph. We will just put any three value as per your choice and find corresponding y value. Corresponding y values. Third step, we will make a table. We will make make a table with this values of x and y. This all steps I will explain you when we are doing sums, so don't be excited. Okay, what are that values, how to make a table, that we are all going to discuss step by steps. Just write it down steps for now. Now take suitable scale on x-axis and y-axis, plot the 3 points which we had, 3 values, plot these 3 points on the graph. And fifth point, join 3 points to get straight line. These are the steps you have to follow strictly. I will explain you each and every steps while doing sums. Okay, so first write it down these steps and then we will start with graph. Then from the next question. See, exercise 21A, we will start with first question. First question mein we have many sub questions. So we will just make a category of some questions. We will draw three questions in one graph paper. So first graph you have to draw of x equal to 6, second ka x plus 4 equal to 0, and third is x minus 5 equal to 0. This is the question. Now we will start this. You have to write in your answer paper. This is my graph paper which I had already drawn. Here I can mark x-axis, I can mark y-axis, this is x dash and this is y dash. Okay, you can mark it out. Here we can write 0 over here. Okay, so now first question was, first ka A question, we have x equal to 6. So how to draw x equal to 6 ka graph? As we know, this is vertical line. I had already discussed you that when we have x equal to some constant, it is always vertical line. So let us find x equal to 6. See, in x-axis, if you see this x-axis, in x-axis 6 we have over here. This is my 6. So I will draw vertical line from 6. You can draw as big as you want and then make arrows. Write the name of the line. We can make arrows and I can write it like this. This is the line of x equal to 6. This is the graph of x equal to 6. X equal to 6 ki line is vertical line which is perpendicular to x-axis. If you will see, it is perpendicular to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. It is parallel. This you don't have to write. It's just for explanation purpose. Just memorize all these points. Whenever we have x equal to constant ka equation, it is vertical line parallel to y-axis. This all terms will be helpful in 10th standard. Second question. First ka B question, we have x plus 4 is equal to 0. So I can write therefore x is equal to minus 4. So now I will draw line from x, vertical line from x equal to minus 4. If you will see minus 4 0 के left में है minus 4. This is x equal to minus 4 की line. I will write here x equal to minus 4. C question, we have x minus 4, sorry, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 5. So here we have to draw x equal to 5 की line. So x equal to 5 is over here. See, it's here. I have circled, but I have to erase that circle, and I will draw vertical line from x equal to 5. See, it's not correct. I will draw it properly. Line can be of any size, it doesn't matter, just make sure it is as long as possible in the graph paper. This can be written as x equal to 5. Hope you had understood how to draw vertical lines. When we have vertical lines in the form of x equal to a, so you have to draw vertical line from the value of x, whatever value is given. Vertical line means it is always parallel to y-axis. Question number first card D, E and F we will draw in one graph paper. If you will see D, E and F all are in the form of, see, D key value is y is equal to 4, E key value is y plus 5 is equal to 0, so we can write it is y, therefore y is equal to minus 5, and F में we will write 2y minus 7 equal to 0, so therefore we can write 2y is equal to 7 and y equal to 7 by 2. So in each of the three graphs you will notice we don't have x coordinate, x value. The previous one which we did A, B, C, in that we had only x equal to some values, and D, E, F में we have y equal to some values. So whenever we have y is equal to BK pattern का graph, it is always horizontal graph. So let us draw horizontal graph. So first value is B में y is equal to 4. Let us write it is horizontal graph line. Here also every paper में you have to write scale. This is my x axis. This is x dash, y, y dash. This is 0. Just ignore 2 zeros. Just ignore 2 zeros. You can write single zeros, 0 when where both line intersect each other. Scale you can write on each and every graph. You have to write scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so now first graph is D का y is equal to 4. So you have to just find y value में where is y is equal to 4. See y की value में if you will see this line, this point is y equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. If you just see full axis में only 4 we have over here. So we will draw a horizontal line which is just parallel to x-axis from the 4 of y. So you can put arrows. You can write equation on the line. It's y equal to 4 की line है. Now second line, second E equation is y plus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write therefore y is equal to minus 5. Y की value is minus 5. So we will draw a line which is parallel to x-axis, that is horizontal line from the minus 5. See, this is minus 5. Actually minus, if minus is not written correctly, just check it out because you cannot see minus properly, but it is there. If you zoom it, you may find minus on the red line. It's not online. I have to draw it properly. This is y is equal to minus 5 की line. Now f equation is 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So therefore 2y is equal to 7. So therefore y is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore y is equal to 3.5. So we have to draw a line from the 3.5 of y value. So 3.5 should be just between 3 and 4. So let us draw it properly. See, in your graph you will be having 10 blocks, so it's not that difficult to draw. You can draw it. See, I cannot draw it properly because of thick pen. Maybe this is my 3.5. It looks like it's between में है. You can write here y is equal to 3.5, or you can write y is equal to 7 by 2. Hope you had understood how to draw vertical line and horizontal line. Horizontal line का graph में we have only y value, and vertical graph में we have only x value. Now next question onwards we will be having both x and y value. Now next question G. I will just explain you. G का equation is y is equal to x. So what was our rule? Make y as subject of the formula. Here y has on already y is the subject of the formula. So what we will do? We will find three values of x, and we will find the three value of y corresponding to that value. So always you have to make a coordinate table. This is called coordinate table. At least three values are necessary: x, y. You can take any value of x. Like if I am taking x equal to 5, you have to take such value which fits in the graph. Don't take 15, 20, that type of value. It won't fit in your graph paper. So we will take if x equal to 5. So our equation is y equal to x. Na? So I am putting x as 5. So we will get y is equal to 5. So my first value is 5, 5. Second value, if I am taking x is equal to any value you can take, I can take minus 3. So therefore my y value will become, therefore y is equal to minus 3. So I can write minus 3 minus 3. Here our equation is y is equal to x. So whatever value you are taking as x, it will become same value as y. So here you can take any value like 2, 2. Okay. So now what we will do, we will draw graph of G wala part. For that I have to make table over here also. My G equation was y is equal to x. So you can take any value, any three values of x and y. X, y. So if I am taking x की value as minus 2, then y value is minus 2. If x value is 2, then y value is 2. X value is 5, then y value is 5. I have written same values which I had done backside. Now graph paper पे you have to write x-axis, y-axis, this is x dash, this is y dash. Intersecting point is 0, you have to write scale. I'm just reminding you again and again in each graph, don't forget this. on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So first we will mark, see this is one coordinate. If you want you can make x y ka one more column, it's a one more row you can make like this niche. So x comma y, x is here minus 2 comma minus 2, second में 2 comma 2, and third में we have 5 comma 5. So let us start marking. X ka minus 2, see this is x minus 2 and this is y ka minus 2, it's over here. So intersecting of this point, intersecting like this, पहले we will take x coordinates में से we will find and then y coordinate, wherever it intersect that is our main point. So let us mark, just mark dot and circle and write it down, minus 2 comma minus 2. Second is 2 comma 2, see 2 is over here, y ka 2 is over here, so intersection of both will be our coordinate. This is 2 comma 2 and then last में 5 comma 5, so it's over here. If you will draw, you should always get straight line. See we had made table with this corresponding value, now we had plotted 3 points on the graph, now we will join that 3 point. Just join 3 points properly. This is my first line ka graph which is y is equal to x ka. Now second line gh, h वाले में we have y is equal to minus x ka graph. So what we will do, again for that we will draw a table. We will take x, y and we can write coordinate as x comma y. Last row is not compulsory to make, if you want you can make it out, otherwise it's okay, we can just write x and y coordinate. Now you can choose any value as per your wish. So let us say if x is 2, if x की value 2 है तो what I will write, y is equal to minus x की value 2, so I will get minus 2. I can write it over here, 2 comma minus 2. Here what you have to do, you have to just think of any x value, any x value within the graph which fits within the graph. So you can always take values from minus 10 to 10 horizontally and minus 10 to 10 vertically as it fits in the graph. Okay, if it's not fitting you can change the value. So now next value can be, I can take 5. If I am taking 5, so what I will get, y is equal to minus x key value, that is minus 5. If you are taking 2 positive, so always make sure that one negative value has been taken. Okay, it's not compulsory, but just for a good straight line you have to take one negative value so that distance between the points are far apart. If you are taking just 3 nearby value, so sometime you may get wrong points also. So second point is 5 comma minus 5. Third में I can take any negative value, let's say as minus 2, I can take minus 2. So if I am taking y is equal to minus x की value as minus 2, just replacing x value in the equation, we will get y is equal to 2. So my next is minus 2 comma 2. If you want you can show that method, if x equal to this, y is equal to this, you can show everything by substituting it, but here I don't have enough space. First coordinate is 2 comma minus 2. See, x ka 2, it's over here, x ka 2 and y ka minus 2 is over here. So joining both lines like this, I will get this point. Okay, so I will mark it down. This is my 2 comma minus 2. Don't make mistake in marking x and y point. 5 comma minus 5, so x ka 5, it's this point, x5, and y minus 5, it's this point. So I will mark it as 5 comma minus 5. Then minus 2 comma 2, so x is minus 2, y is 2, so it will be this point, minus 2 comma 2. Now we will draw a line which passes through these 3 points, and line should always be straight. If points does not lie on the straight line, that means your coordinates you had found is incorrect. Mark arrow, it should be straight line. So here I can write this equation is y is equal to minus x की line. Now third I वाला point, it's y is equal to 2x, means y की value is double of x. So let us make a coordinate table in which I can write x value, y value, and last में I will write coordinate 1, 2 and 3. X, y, this is x comma y. Take any value of x. I can take first 3. So if x is 3, so 2 into 3, that is 6. Y will become 6, so it will become 3 comma 6. Now next value, if I am taking as minus 2, you can take any value as per your choice. So this will become minus 2, it will become 4 into minus 2, that is minus 4. So I will get minus 2 comma minus 4. And third value we can choose anything. Just choose 4, then it will become 8. We can take 2 or we can take 1. So y will become 2. So it's 1 comma 2. So let us plot a point. First is 3 comma 6. So 3 comma 6, it's over here. Second is minus 2 comma minus 4. So minus 2 comma minus 4 is over here. Third is 1 comma 2. 1 comma, it's over here. You can write 1 comma 2. Just join each points. Make arrow. Write it down the name of line. Name of equation y equal to 2x. In this way you can draw linear graph. Question number J में we have y is equal to 3x plus 2. So we will make a column. I'm just explaining you and then I will make column beside graph. See x, y, you can take any value. See, we have equation as 3x plus 2. So first I can take if x is equal to 0, I will follow this table. You can take any value, your lines will be the same and the same straight line. If x equal to 0, so we will just replace x key value as 0. So 3 into 0 plus 2. So 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2, which is 2. So if x is 0, y is 2. And second way, if I can take, if x is equal to minus 1 or minus 2, you can take anything. Let's say minus 2. We are taking some different value. So I can write y is equal to 3 into x key value is minus 2 plus 2. So y is equal to 3 to the minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. So when I am taking minus 2, I am getting minus 4. Now third value, I can take anything. If x is equal to 2, I can take 2. So y value will become y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2, because x I am just replacing 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8. If you want, you can do all these steps. In some school it is compulsory to write all steps, but in some school you can just write it manually. Okay, it depends on your teachers what they say, but after that I am just going to do it mentally and fill the this tables with three values. So if I'm taking x value 2, my y value will become 8. So here I can write x comma y, that is 0 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 4 and 2 comma 8. All value will fit in the graph. So let us make graph. Here also I have to make f question mein we will write y is equal to 3x plus 2. So I can make only two values, that is okay, x and y, x, y. You can take any value as per your choice. I will just follow the previous table. If x is 0, if you are putting 0 over here, so 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. If you are putting minus 1 or minus 2, let's say minus 2, so it will become minus 6. If x is minus 2, then y is minus 6 plus 2. So that will become minus 4. Now third value I can take as 1. If my x value is 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. See, it's 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 5. So we had made this table is compulsory to make on your answer sheet. Then let us write x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Write scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. This is the 0, which is the intersection of two axes. So let us start plotting 3 points on the graph. The first is 0 comma 2. This is 0 comma 2. Any coordinates whose x coordinate is 0, that lies on y axis. We had already discussed that any point on x axis, its y coordinate will become 0, that is it will be in the form of x comma 0, and any point which lies on y axis, its x coordinate will become 0. Aisa. So here we have 0 comma 2. So what we will write it, we will just mark it on the y axis. It's 0 comma 2. Next point is minus 2 comma minus 4. So x ka minus 2 and y ka minus 4, it will be here. Minus 2 comma minus 4. And 1 comma 5. So 1 comma 5, it's over here. 1 comma 5. So now we will join 3 points. Mark arrows on the endpoint. Write its equation anywhere, which is y is equal to 3x plus 2. We'll do G question. G may we have y is equal to 2x minus 1. Again, this equation has y as the subject of the formula. We have to just put up the x value, any, I am talking about as per your choice. But it should fit in the graph. Condition is what? It should fit in your graph. If that value does not lie on the graph, that means you cannot take that value, the value which you had chosen. Don't take unrealistic value just like 15, 20, 25. Don't take that type of value. X, Y. The first value I will put as 0. My first favorite value is 0. We will just put. So what I can do, if I am putting 0 over here, the 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. You can do steps if you want. If x equal to 0. Here I don't have that much space to show. Second value we can choose any. Second value I will choose as minus 2. So I can write it as 2 into minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 5. So minus 2 है तो y की value is minus 5. Then third value you can choose any positive value. Let us say it's plus 1. It's plus 2. So 2 into 2, if it is plus, you can write 2 to the plus 4. Plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3. You will get 3. So we got all three values of x. Now let us put into the graph paper. Let us plot on the graph paper. So first value is my 0, comma minus 1. Second coordinate will be minus 2, comma minus 5. And third coordinate will be 2, comma 3. So let us plot. First is 0, comma minus 1. 0, comma minus 1 will lie on y-axis. So it is this coordinate. Here we have minus everywhere. You cannot see. We have it. Okay. The first value was 0, comma minus 1. Second value is minus 2, comma minus 5. So minus 2, comma minus 5 is somewhere here. See, just plotted with blue. Minus 2, comma minus 5. Third value is 2, comma 3. 2, comma 3. If you will see, you are getting again that point in the same straight line. So that is why we can say this is the graph of straight line, linear graph of straight line. Just draw a line passing through all 3 points, make arrows, write down the equation of the line. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. Hope this part is clear. We will draw H wala graph. This is just a basic practice of single graph. In exam you will not get single equation. You will get at least 2 equation or 3 equation at the same time to draw on the same graph paper. That we will practice exam style question. We will practice from main question number 2nd. Here we have y minus x is equal to 5. As we told, what is the steps? Steps में what we have to make y a subject of the formula. So we will write y is equal to, subject is always positive, x को we can shift on other side. So we got y as subject of the formula. Now we will take 3 values of x and we will find its corresponding y value. See, we are just following the rules. So x and y. You can take x value, any x value as per your choice. Let's say first value is 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Second value, you can choose anything. Let me take second value as minus 5. So what I will get? 5 plus minus 5, which will become 0. So if I am taking minus 5, answer is 0. Now third value, you can choose anything. Let us take any negative value, or you can take any positive value. If I am taking 2, so x key value is 2. So what I will get? Y key value is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So I can write 7 over here. Now let us plot. First is, I can write here 0, 5. It lies on y-axis. Second is minus 5, 0. It lies on x-axis. And 2, 7 lies in between somewhere. So let us start. 0, 5. 0, 5 is over here. Minus 5, 0. एक्स एक्सिस पे -5 है. Then if I am putting 2, 7, I am getting somewhere here. You can write it here 2, 7. If you will see, again I am getting a straight line. Just check the red points properly. This is the straight line. Mark arrows. You can write y is equal to, you can write original equation if you want on line. In this way you can draw different linear equation ka graph. Hope concepts is clear. From main question number 1, you won't get single equation as different question. You will get one question in which you have at least 2 or 3 equations. Main question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. We had learned simultaneous equation by substitution method. Elimination method, cross multiplication method, and this is the fourth method which we say graphically, graph method. These are the 4 methods you have to learn for 9th standard. So here how to solve equation, we'll just go through it. We will always have 2 equations to solve graphically, that you know. The first equation may we have 2x plus 3. It's already in y as a subject. It's already y as a subject. So here what we will do, we will write same value. We will make coordinate table. Coordinate table में we can take any value of x and find its corresponding y value, x, y. So let us say if x is equal to 0, as I told, we can first take 0. So we can get y is equal to 2 into 0. We'll just putting x value over here. Plus 3. So 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3, which is 3. So if x is 0, y is 3. Second value, if you can take x key any value. See here I took -2, so I can even say -2. I will show you how I got y value. So y is equal to 2. Now x value is -2 plus 3. So y is equal to -4 plus 3, which is equal to -1. So if I am putting -2 over here, y value is -1. Do not make any mistake while putting values. Now third value, at least 3 values are required. If x equal to, you can take any value. If I am taking 2, then my y value will become 2 multiplied by 2 because it's 2x. plus 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, which is 7. So if my x value is 2, y value is 7. I had showed you how I got this table. See, same value I took. You can take other value if you want. Now next equation is y is equal to 3x plus 1. So again I will make column, make table with at least 3x value and 3y values. So now here first I will take again if x is equal to 0. To put 0 over here. Y is equal to 3 into 0 plus 1, that is 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. If x is 0, y is 1. Now next x value I can take as if x is equal to 2. So y will become 3 into, just replace x value as 2 again. 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So I can write when x is 2, y is 7. Now I will take one negative value. You can take any negative value. I will just follow this table so that I can show you how I got these three values. So y is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 6, sorry, minus 3. 3 ones are minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So if x is minus 1, y is minus 2. Okay, how I got this solution set we will discuss later. So first let us plot these 3 points for each equations on the graph paper. So let us write first second ka, this is a question. The first equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So making table, I will just copy down that same table which we had done. X, y, first value was 0 in which we got 3, second value is minus 2 in which we got minus 1, and third value is 2 in which we got 7. Now next equation is y is equal to 3x plus 1. Here also we will draw a table. X, y. X value we took as 0, we got y value 1. If you are taking 2, you will get 7. If you are taking minus 1, you are getting minus 2. Hope this part is clear. If you want, you can write coordinate table just like 0, 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. This is the coordinate value. Here also I can write 0, 1, 2, 7, minus 1, minus 2. Now before plotting you have to write x-axis, y-axis. I can write minus over here because it's not visible. Actually it is minus but it's not visible properly. We can write it down. 0 is the intersection of the two lines. This is y-axis, this is y dash. You can write scale that you can fill up. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now I will plot two lines first for this equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 के लिए. So first coordinate is 0, 3. It lies on y-axis because x coordinate is 0. So I can write 0, 3. Second coordinate is minus 2, minus 1. So minus 2, minus 1 will be over here. That is minus 2, minus 1. Third is 2, 7. So 2, 7 we can plot over here. If you join line, it is straight slant line. Okay. Just draw arrows and write equation y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now second equation ka you have to draw on the same graph paper because one question has two equation. So both equations should be drawn on the single graph paper. Second का y is equal to 3x plus 1 में first is 0,1. So 0,1 will lie over here. It's the point on y axis 0,1. I will draw with different pen so that you can differentiate it. 2,7 is the same overlapping point. Just mark it that point. And minus 1, minus 2. So minus 1, minus 2 is this point. I can write it down over here. Minus 1, minus 2. Now we will draw again a line which passes through these 3 points. Mark arrow. If you will see, intersecting point is 2, 7. So first, before that, I have to write equation y is equal to 3x plus 1. If you will see, okay, these two lines intersect at one point. That is our solution set. So here, two line intersect at 2, 7. So I can write, so therefore x value is 2 and y value is 7, and solution set, as we were writing in simultaneous equation, we can write it is 2, 7 in this format. Here in this way you can finish your equation by finding the solution set, because solve the following equation graphically. Graphically means we have to find graphically point of intersection of these two lines. Point of intersection is the point where two lines actually meets, and you can write the value of x and y from the graph where they meet. Question number second ka B. Here again we have two equations we have to solve graphically. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 1. As we had discussed in the rules, we will always make y as subject of the formula, because x is independent. We can put different values in x, and y is always dependent on the value of x. So y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So here I will get 1 minus x. We are just transferring x on other side. Now we will put three values of x and we will find its corresponding y values. So I can take x and y. I will just follow the same values which I had taken on the left side, left side. Okay. Here first value is 0, so I will show you how I got that value. So if x is equal to 0, so I can write y is equal to 1 minus value of x, that is 0, which is 1. If x is 0, y is 1. Now second value, if I am taking x is equal to minus 3, you can even take minus 2, you can even take minus 1, you can even take minus 4, you can take any value as per your convenience. Y is equal to 1 minus x की value is minus 3, so 1 minus minus 3 is 1 plus 3, which is 4. So when x is minus 3, y is 4. Third value I can take x is equal to 3. So we can get y is equal to 1 minus 3. That is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2. You can even take 3 so that it becomes, you can take 1 so that it becomes 1 minus 1, 0. You can take any three value of x as per your choice and find their corresponding y value. Next equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. We have to make y a subject of the formula. So how I will write? First I will write 2y is equal to 6 minus this x ko we can shift on other side, minus 3x. So y is equal to 6 minus 3x divided by 2. We will make coordinate table. X, y. We can put any value of x. If x is equal to, let's say, 0, so make sure you don't get y value as negative. Just keep it as this y value negative. No, sorry, don't make sure that you don't get y value in decimal or in fraction format. It should always be an integer value. Either it can be negative or positive. Y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 0 upon 2. So we can write 3 into 0 is 0. So 6 by 2, which is 3. If x is 0, y is 3. Second value I can take if x is equal to 2. So I will get y is equal to 6 minus 3 into 2 upon 2. So you can get 6 minus 3 to the 6 upon 2. That is 0 by 2, which is 0. Third value, if x is equal to, you can take any value which gives us some integer value. Even if I am taking 4 3s are 12, it will work. But here I took minus 2, so I will continue with minus 2. So y is equal to 6 minus 3 into minus 2 upon 2. So 6 plus 6 upon 2, that is 12 by 2, which is 6. So here I can write minus 2 pair, I have 6. So I got all three values of y corresponding to our x value. Here I have to first write it down all coordinates. First equation was y is equal to 1 minus x. We got it from x plus y is equal to 1 से. So its coordinate table is x, y. So x की value I took 0, y is 1, x की value I took minus 3, y is 4, x की value is 3, y is minus 2. Second equation was 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. इसको we made it at y is equal to 6 minus 3x upon 2. X, y. First x की value 0, then y की value 2, 3, 2, 0, then minus 2, 6. These are the values which we had found out. Now let us start plotting. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, sorry, x dash. Here we have y, we have y dash. Here we can just write it down negatives. This is 0. So now scale you can write by your own. Scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units, and even on y-axis 1 centimeter on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. Now plotting out first point. First point is 0, 1. Second coordinate is minus 3, 4, and third coordinate is 3, minus 2 in the first table. Second table में we have 0, 3, 2, 6, minus 2, 2, 0, minus 2, 6. We have 3 points. So let us start plotting 0, 1. It lies on y-axis. It's over here. This is 0, 1. Then minus 3, 4. Then third is 3, minus 2. Plot all points accordingly, making sure कि first coordinate is always x axis. Just see x axis पे 3 किधर है and y axis पे -2 किधर है. Just find plot that way, point that way. Put arrows. Write down equation की value, that is y x plus, write original value x plus y is equal to 1. This is the graph of first equation. Now we will draw graph of second equation. Second equation का first point is 0, 3, that is on y axis, it's over here. Y axis के 3 पे we are plotting 0, 3. Then 2, 0 is on x axis. 2, 0 -2, plus 6. So x का -2 and y का it's +6. So we can just plot it down. -2, 6. Now let us draw and check whether it is intersecting or not. It should intersect. If you see purple line and black line, both line intersect at this point. Intersection point should be a unique point. Okay, unique point means it's always exact. In your 9th standard syllabus you will not get intersection in some decimals or what. Okay, if you are getting something decimals or that means you have done something wrong. Don't go forward. Don't go ahead with that values. Just check all coordinates again. So here what I see, I can see here intersection point is x. ये वाला coordinate I can write here. It is 4, see this is, it's this point. It is x का 4 and y का -3. So here we can write intersecting point is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -3. So therefore its solution set is equal to 4, -3. Make sure intersection is visible. Okay, always draw graph with a sharp pencil. Do not use blunt pencil for that. This is the solution set. Question number C. Question is of same pattern. Here we have two equation and we have to plot it on the graph and find the solution set of it. So first equation is y is equal to 2x, y minus 2x is equal to 1. So I will write y minus 2x is equal to 1, making y a subject of the formula. Y is equal to 1 plus 2x. Don't make x a subject of the formula. You will get same pattern mein answer, but it's a wrong way to solve. As x is an independent variable, but when you are making x a subject, it becomes a dependent. So don't make it that way. X, y. We can take any value of x. So let us say first x value is 0. So therefore y value I can get as 1 plus 2 into 0, that is 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. Second value I can take if x is equal to 2. I will just follow the same table. Therefore y is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2, that is 1 plus 4, which is 5. So if x value is 2, y value is 5. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 1 plus 2 into minus 2. So that is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. So if we are putting x key value minus 2, we are getting y key value minus 3. This was the table for first equation. Second equation we will prepare. We have equation as 5y minus x is equal to 14. So therefore 5y is equal to 14 plus x, y is equal to 14 plus x upon 5. So if x is equal to, you cannot put random value just like 2, 3, because if you are putting 2 it will become 16. 16 by 5 is 3.2. You cannot take decimal value, otherwise it will be, you will get incorrect graph. So always take a value such that after dividing you are getting proper integer value. So if I am taking x is equal to 1, so obviously y key value I can get as, therefore y is equal to 14 plus 1 upon 5, that is 15 by 5, which is 3. X, y, if x is 1, y is 3. Second x key value I can take, if x is equal to, I can take minus 4. So therefore y will become 14 minus 4 upon 5, that is 10 by 2, which is 10 by 2, that is 10 by 5, that is 2. So if I am taking minus 4, I am getting 2. Either you can take 9. If you are taking minus 9, it will become 5. 5 by 5, 1, but minus 9 is a bigger number, so I will go for 6. If x is equal to 6, so therefore y will become 14 plus 6 upon 5, that is 20 by 5, which is 4. If I am taking 6, you will get 4. So we can make coordinate table. Now let us plot on the graph all these 3 points. Before plotting, even I have to write it over here. So let us write question number C. Equation was y minus 2x is equal to 1. So therefore we made it as y is equal to 1 plus 2x. इसका values we found out was x, y. First value was 0, 1, 2, 5, minus 2, minus 3. Second equation is 5y minus x is equal to 14. So therefore y is equal to 14 plus x upon 5. Let us make table. X, y. If x की value 1 है तो y की value 3. If x value is 6, y value is 4. If x value is minus 4, y value is 2. So let us plot it down all. Before starting with graph, you have to make axis, x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. This is the 0 point. Here I can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. Rest all minus are visible. Scale you can write. Okay, on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So now let us plot. Before plotting, let us write coordinate. पहला coordinate is 0, 1, 2, 5, minus 2, minus 3. As we know, x is first, then y is second coordinate. 1, 3, 6, 4, minus 4, 2. So let us plot first. 0, 1, it's on y-axis 0, 1. Any point whose y coordinate is 0, it will lie on x-axis. Any point whose x coordinate is 0, it will lie on y-axis. 2, 5. So over here -2, -3. So now let us plot. Now we will plot second equation ka point, that is 1, 3. It's on the graph already. I can see it's on the line 1, 3. Second point is 6, 4. 6, 4 is over here. And third point is -4, 2. Plot properly. We can write -4, 2. If you will see, whenever we have x and y, we are always getting any slant line. So where both lines intersect each other, that is our solution set. So I have to write the name of the equation, y minus 2x is equal to 1, so that I can see which equation की line is this. Purple line में we have 5x minus y is equal to 14. Equation's name should be written clearly. Now intersection point, this is my solution set. What is it? This is my solution set. If you want, you can mark it on the graph, that is 1, 3. So I can write, so therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So solution set is equal to 1, 3. Question number D of main question number second. Same pattern, we are just solving simultaneous equation where two equation is given. First equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. We have to make y a subject of the formula. Y is equal to 3 minus x. So y is equal to 3 minus x divided by 2. We will make table. X, y. So let us say first value as if x is equal to 1. If you are taking x की value 1, तो y value is what? Therefore y is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. That is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So if x is 1, y is 1. Second value you can take x is equal to 3. If x is 3, then y will become 3 minus, in place of x we are replacing 3 upon 2, that is 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. So if x is 3, y is 0. If x is equal to some other value, just think some other value, you can take -3, -6, okay, any value. You can take -1 if you want, you can take that value, but here I will follow the table which I had already made. Then y की value will become y is equal to 3 minus of -3 upon 2, that will give you 3 plus 3 upon 2, that is 6 by 2, which is 3. Write this part. It's not compulsory to write, but show, but if you are working it out, you may avoid mistakes. -3 की value is 3. Now second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. So we will make y as subject of the formula. So 3y is equal to 2 minus 4x. So therefore y is equal to 2 minus 4x upon 3. Let's make table x, y. So first we will take y. If x is equal to, you have to now think, if you are putting 0 you will get 2 by 3. Its answer will be in decimal, we cannot take. Let us take 1. If you are taking 1, to 4 or 2 minus 4 is again 2 by 3, you will not get. Let's take 2. If we are taking 2, so y is equal to 2 minus 4 into 2 upon 3. So that is 2 minus 8 upon 3, that is minus 6 by 3, which is equal to minus 2. The answer is minus 2. Then I will take, if x is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 4 into minus 1 upon 3. So minus into minus will become plus. So 2 plus 4 by 3, that is 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So if you are taking minus 1, y value is 2. Now third value you can take as minus 4. Y is equal to 2 minus 4 into minus 4 upon 3, that is 2 plus 16 upon 3, 18 by 3, that is 6. By taking this, even you can think of any other value if you can. Now let us write this beside graph, these two tables. First equation, question number D है, first equation was x plus 2y is equal to 3. So therefore we can write y is equal to 3 minus x upon 2. Table x, y. X की value 1, then y की value 1, x value is 3, y value is 0, x value is minus 3, y value is 3. Now second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. So therefore y is equal to 2 minus 4x upon 3. We had already discussed how we got this equation. Make table x, y. The first value was minus 1, we got 2, 2 पे we got minus 2, and minus 4 पे we got 6. Now we will plot this two equations के three points on graph. So before starting with, make x-axis, y-axis, write it down x, y, x dash, y dash. Center point is 0. We can write negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Okay, as it is not visible, so I can just write it down. Now scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. So let us plot first equation 1 comma 1. So first I will write all coordinates over here. First 1 comma 1, 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 3. Here I can write minus 1 comma 2 because x key value is minus 1, y key value is 2. Coordinate should always be in the form of x comma y. 2 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 6. So let us plot first equation के coordinate, that is 1 comma 1. It should be somewhere here. Then 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means x axis का 3 है, y axis का 0. So that is 3 comma 0. Then minus 3 comma 3. So x is minus 3, y is 3. So x का negative and positive, that will be in second quadrant, -3, 3. Once you get 3 points, you can just draw straight line passing through the 3 points. Okay, put arrows, write equation. I can write anywhere on the line. X plus 2y is equal to 3. Always use original equation to write on the graph. Now second equations के coordinates we will plot. First is -1, 2. X का -1, y का 2 is this point. We can write -1, 2. Then 2, -2. X is positive, y is negative. So 2, -2. -4, 6. -4 पे 6. Let us join all 3 points. If you will see, both line intersect each other at a point, that is, this point is -1, 2. So I can write this point as a solution set. So we can write solution set as this point. So now I have to write equation, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. We had done everything. Now we will write here, therefore x is equal to -1, y is equal to 2. So solution set is -1, 2. Hope you understood how to draw graph. It's very simple. You have to just follow the rules. Make y a subject of the formula. You can take any 3 values of x, put in the equation. You will get corresponding y value. Then you have to make a table to represent that 3 values. Then plot these 3 values on the graph and then join 3 values to get a straight line. These rules you have to follow for each equation. You will get a point of intersection where 2 lines meets each other. Question number E of main question number 2. Here again we have to solve simultaneously. So first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. Make y a subject. 3y is equal to 2 minus 2x. Just shift 2x on other side. Y is equal to 2 minus 2x upon 3. So let us draw table. X, y. So first we can take any value of x. If I am taking 0, it will not work. If I am taking 1, it will work. So let's say x is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 1 upon 3. That is 2 minus 2 upon 3. That is equal to 0 by 3, which is equal to 0. If my x value is 1, y value is 0. Second, if x is equal to, I can take some other value. If you are taking 2, it won't work. 2 minus 6, it won't work. You can just solve mentally and check whether the number which you are getting in numerator, is it divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible by 3, then you can work. So we can take 4. So therefore y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 4 upon 3. That is 2 minus 8 upon 3. That is equal to minus 6 by 3. That is equal to minus 2. So if my x value is 4, y value is 2. Now if x value is minus 2, so therefore y is 2 minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3, that is 2 plus 4 upon 3, which is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So if x is minus 2, y is 2. We got first equation ka tables and that 3x value and corresponding 3y values. Corresponding 3y values, y value you cannot choose by yourself. Next is x minus 2y is equal to 8. Since the subject variable, that is y, is negative, the first make it positive. So you should understand, you should keep it in mind that the variable which you are making subject should always be positive. So therefore I can write x is equal to 8 plus 2y. 8 ko you can shift to the left, x minus 8 is equal to 2y. So therefore y is equal to 8 minus, sorry, x minus 8 upon 2. So let us take any values. If x equal to, if I am taking 2, it will work, but I have not taken it over here. So I will not take, I will take if x is equal to 0. You can take if x is equal to 2, then you will get y equal to 0. You can take that value, but I cannot take different values because you people will get confused which value I am going to plot. Therefore y is equal to 0 minus 2 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, which will give you minus 1. Oh sorry, I did wrong. I had taken wrong values. Sorry, my mistake. It's x minus 8. So it is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. So if x is 0, y is minus 4. I can take if x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 8 minus 8 by 2, that is 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. Then I can take x key any value. If x is equal to 4, if you will take, then also it will work. Y is equal to 4 minus 8 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. So if x is 4, y is minus 2. Here we got table. Now we will plot these points on the graph paper. So before plotting it, I would like to write it down over here. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. So therefore y value is 2 minus 2x upon 3. So as per the table which we had made, I can write that same value. Do keep it in mind, your y values and x value may differ, but the line which you are plotting on the graph will be the same and the point of intersection will be the same. It will never change. First point was minus 2 with 2, 1, 0, 4, minus 2. Second equation was x minus 2y is equal to 8. So therefore y is equal to x minus 8 upon 2. Again we will make x, y. First 0, 0 पे I got minus 4, then 8, 8 पे I got 0, 4 पे I got minus 2. ठीक है, we got all these values. Now let us start plotting on the graph. Graph पे make x axis, y axis, intersection will be 0. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 units. Unit, huh? Don't write units, it's unit. Now let us plot. First coordinate is, let me write coordinates, -2, 2, 1, 0. X value should be first and then second value should be y. That's the rule. 8, 0, 4, -2. So here what we will do, first we will start plotting first equation ke 3 points. First point is -2, 2. So -2, 2 is over here. We can write it down -2, 2. Second is 1, 0. 1 x-axis का 1 and y-axis पे 0. It is 1, third का 4, -2. तो 4, -2. X is x4 and y is -2. We got 3 points. Let us draw 3 points पे straight line. Make arrows. Write down the equation. Write original equation. 3y is equal to 2. This part is done. Now we will take second equation के 3 points. First is 0, -4. So it will lie on y-axis. 0, -4. Then 8, 0. 8, 0 lies on x-axis, that is on positive x-axis, and 4, -2. That is already plotted down. So we have to join these three values. If it is overlapping, it's okay, because one point is always common. That is our solution set. Draw, write down the equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 8. This is our solution set. Which is 4, -2 already written over here. So therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to -2. So solution set is 4, -2. Hope you understood how to solve simultaneous equation graphically and find out the value of x and y.